Have you ever looked up at the night sky? Have you ever wondered what is out there, far beyond the stars we see? Imagine a journey, a great adventure. Not across an ocean or to a distant land on Earth, this journey is to the very edge of everything we know. It is a trip to the beginning of time itself. We are about to climb aboard a special ship, a ship of the imagination. It will take us faster than light, across billions of years and unimaginable distances. Our countdown has started. 10, 9, 8. We feel the rumble of giant engines waking up beneath us. 4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff. We rise through the blue sky, leaving the clouds far below. Soon the sky turns from blue to black. Our first stop is our own solar system. This is our home, our cosmic neighborhood. At its center is our star, the sun. It is a huge ball of burning gas, so big that you could fit 1,000,000 Earths inside it. First we see Mercury, a small rocky world covered in craters. Next we fly past Venus. From a distance it looks beautiful, but up close it is a dangerous place. And then we arrive at Mars, the red planet. Its surface is a cold, dusty desert. Beyond Mars we find a wide belt of rocks. We navigate carefully through them. First is Jupiter, the king of the planets. It is huge, bigger than all the other planets combined. We visit Saturn with its magnificent shining rings made of countless small pieces of ice and rock. Then we travel to Uranus, a strange tilted planet that spins on its side. Finally we reach Neptune, the last major planet. It is a dark, cold, and windy place. Our tour of the planets is complete, but our journey is far from over. We have left the familiar lights of the planets behind us. The sun is now just a distant, bright star. This is the Kuiper belt. It is like the asteroid belt, but much, much bigger. This is the home of Pluto. It is a small world with a thin atmosphere and mountains made of water ice. Beside Pluto there are other dwarf planets like Eris, Makemake, and Haumea. We are entering the Oort cloud. It is not a belt, but a giant spherical shell of icy bodies. Sometimes a passing star disturbs one of these icy bodies. It gets knocked out of its orbit. As it gets closer, the sun's heat warms it up. The ice turns into gas, creating a beautiful glowing tail. Our ship now leaves the Oort cloud and we say goodbye to our solar system for good. We are now in interstellar space, the vast emptiness between the stars. Our ship travels for years. Then, ahead of us, a new light begins to grow brighter. This is Proxima Centauri, the closest star to our sun. Orbiting this small red star is a planet. Its name is Proxima b. This is an exoplanet. The star often releases powerful flares of radiation, which would make it a very difficult place for life to survive. We visit a system called TRAPPIST-1. This star has not one but 7 Earth-sized planets orbiting it. If you were standing on one of these planets you could see the others in the sky looking like large moons. Our tour shows us hot Jupiters, super-Earths, and even strange worlds where it might rain glass sideways. We now pull our view back. These stars belong to a galaxy. Our galaxy. It's called the Milky Way. It has these beautiful spiral arms like a giant cosmic pinwheel. The galaxy is a busy place. Stars are being born in giant clouds of gas and dust called nebulae. We see the pillars of creation in the Eagle Nebula, giant towers of gas where new stars are forming. We travel now towards the heart of our galaxy. The stars become more and more crowded. They're packed together so tightly that the sky here would be a constant, brilliant blaze of light. At the very center, we find it. A supermassive black hole. Its name is Sagittarius A. It's the anchor of our galaxy, the gravitational heart around which everything else spins. We now leave the Milky Way behind. We travel into intergalactic space. Looking back, we see the Milky Way as a beautiful spinning disk of light. Our first destination is the Andromeda Galaxy. It is even bigger than the Milky Way. In about 4.5 billion years, our two galaxies will begin to merge. These clusters are connected by long filaments forming a giant cosmic web. We fly past countless galaxies of all shapes and sizes. Our ship is now equipped with the vision of the James Webb Space Telescope. We see galaxies that are very far away. We are seeing them as they were when the universe was much younger. We have reached the farthest point of our journey. We are at the very edge of the observable universe. We see a wall of light. This is the cosmic microwave background, or the CMB. This is the oldest light in the universe. It is the afterglow of the Big Bang itself. Before this time, the universe was an opaque fog of plasma. When it was cool enough, the universe suddenly became transparent. The light was finally set free. The CMB shows tiny variations in temperature. These small differences are incredibly important. These tiny seeds of density were the starting points for everything we see today. We can see glass Z13, seen as it was just 300 million years after the Big Bang. Our journey is over. We turn our ship around and head for home. We have seen worlds of ice and gas, dying stars and newborn galaxies, and in all this vastness on a small rocky planet orbiting an ordinary star, we exist. What does this journey tell us about ourselves? It tells us that we are small, but it also tells us that we are precious. The conditions that allow for life are complex and perhaps rare. The iron in our blood, the calcium in our bones, all of it was forged in the hearts of stars. We are the universe's way of knowing itself. When we look up at the night sky, we are not just looking at distant lights. We are looking at our own history. We are all passengers on this one small planet traveling together through the vastness of space. Our shared curiosity drives us to ask the big questions. We see not just our home but a part of a grand cosmic story. The universe is full of wonders, but perhaps the greatest wonder is that we are here to see it. The next great journey is just beginning.